Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix forgot my Instagram password and email on any iPhone and on any Android device. It's actually a simple tutorial, so make sure you watch it all the way until the end. But before we start, give the video a like. Each like helps out the channel a lot, helps us get a few more views. Subscribe if you're new. We just hit 13,300 subscribers, which is great, but the goal is to get 100k by the end of the year. And you can also comment down below which country are you watching this video from, because I'm curious to know where you guys and girls are from. And also comment if you have any issues, any questions about other topics, and we'll try to make a video on those within a week. So what you want to do to actually fix forgot my Instagram password and email is, if you remember your username, you can type it here and click on forgotten password. Or best of all, if you just have Facebook linked to your Instagram, you can just click continue as, and you can then select which account. But if you know your username, for example, drniki.co, then what you can do is click on forgotten password, and you can follow the steps with just the username or with your phone. With your username, you would click next. You can get an email to your sent to your email, but let's say you don't have that, but you can get a text message to your phone, a login link to your phone, which you just click and log in. It's very simple. So this is pretty much the easiest way to do it. If you still have any questions, just let me know in the comment section down below. We're actually uploading hundreds of videos every single week, just like this, for your value. So if you appreciate that, like the video. And if you're one of the committed people that just watch the video all the way until the end, just comment down below, I watched the video until, the end. See you next video.